Kung sino nag-locate, lagay mo rito. Okay, this is for adult. Okay? Or, pwede rin naman ganito, kilikili, and then gitna. Ano yung dominant hand mo, yun ang ilalagay mo. And then, ganito. Okay? So, there's a lot of don'ts in doing compression. Okay? Don't be a bender. Wala. Hindi mo maano yung lalim. Don't be a jerker. Don't be a bouncer. Don't be a massager. Don't be a rocker. Okay? Don't be a double crosser. Dapat hindi ganyan. Paano daw? Ganito na lang mas madali. Okay? Dapat merong full chest recoil. Ano ibig sabihin? Todo. And then, hayaan mo siyang umangat. Hindi ganito. Okay? Hindi pwedeng ganito. Halfway. Dapat merong full chest recoil para babalik yung, para magkaroon ng supply ng oxygenation yung brain ng pasyente. Okay? Full chest recoil nasa exam. Okay?
Full chest recoil.
Game. Stretch your arm. Lean forward. Count for me. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 29, 1.
Okay? Nakita nyo? 28, 29, and 1. Hindi yung 28, 29, and 1. Kulang. Right? Hindi ka alis sa dibdib hanggat hindi mo na nagigib until N1. Kasi napapansin ko sa iba, 28, 29, and 1. Nagmamadali sa pagbibigay ng blow. Okay? Huwag kayong matataranta. Okay? And then after that, 2 blows. Okay? Release, tingin sa dibdib, blow again. Hindi ganito. Tawa kayo, nangyayari yun. Okay? Pinch the nose. Release. Bakit ka tumitingin sa dibdib? Para titignan mo kung aangat yung chest niya. Okay? And then balik. And then go back. And then you pump. Ilang beses?
5 times.
5. Alright. Child. Count. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
Ilang beses?
5.
5.
Same
Infant. Ready? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Kasama yung ilong at bibig. Kuha? Ilang beses?
5.
After the 5 cycle, anong gagawin? Recheck the box.
Check the box.
Paano in the middle ng counting? Gumalaw. Anong gagawin?
Stop.
Stop. Recheck the box. Tingnan mo kung talagang buhay. Paano habang nagsi-CPR ka, may dumating. I know CPR, can I help? Anong gagawin mo?
I-continue.
I-allow mo?
Allow mo, pero after the first cycle.
After the cycle. Mamaya kasi, nasa 18 ka. I know CPR, can I help? Sige, ikaw naman, 19 na praya. Finish the cycle. Alright? Nakakapagod to. Kaya, allow mo yung ibang tao. Do we have the rights to stop compression?
Yes.
Definitely yes. Right?